Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, 29 Meadow Ave, Coopers Plains. Our phone number is 0738481382, and today we have a 2013 Toyota 86 GTS Coupe, stock reference number 3945. This shape runs from the 4th month 2012 and is the current shape. It has an FA20 2-litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by a 6-speed manual rear-wheel drive transmission. FA20 2-litre 4-cylinder petrol boxer engine. This vehicle has sustained damage in the left front. We have the right-hand headlight, right-hand bumper indicator, right-hand fog light, left-hand bumper indicator. This vehicle's fitted with factory 17-inch alloy mags. The left front has a good tyre. We have the left power door mirror. Left door appears to have no damage. Left rear 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. We have the left tail light. It's got a tidy rear bumper cover. Boot lid appears to have no damage. Right-hand tail light. Right rear 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Right door has one small dent. Right guard has a couple of small dents and a light fold. Suit a good private buy. Right front 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre and a right power door mirror. We have the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle's fitted with black leather and suede interior. It's got a manual center console, 6-speed manual gear shifter, heated controls, factory sat nav unit, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, left sun visor, right sun visor, and the instrument cluster. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.